Applications Decision tree analysis in risk management, decision tree analysis in healthcare, decision tree analysis in capital budgeting, decision tree business analysis, and decision tree analysis in finance. Explain the sequence involved in fault finding activities with suitable flow chart. Collect the evidence. All the evidence collected must be relevant to the problem at hand. If one is in doubt as to whether anything is relevant, then include it. Reject it afterwards at the first opportunity if it clearly is not relevant. The quantity of information collected is unimportant. What matters is that all information collected is relevant. Observe the system running. If you consider it safe to do, use all your senses: smell, burning, hearing, vibration, touch, temperature, sight. For usual conditions, refer to any relevant documentation. Analyze the evidence. Consider all the evidence collected, and if possible, reject any which after further careful consideration is not relevant. Study the hardcore of relevant evidence, and through the process of careful logical thinking, diagnose the likely fault, or at least the area of region of the fault. Locate the fault. In a sense, it is continuation of the process of analysis. The areas or regions are systematically reduced in size until a specific part can be identified as being faulty. For example, if a doorbell does not ring when it should, it is only by means of a systematic approach that one determines that the bell itself is faulty. For determination and removal of the cause. If the cause of the fault is not removed, the fault will reoccur even though the fault has been rectified. For instance, a flat bicycle tire might be the result of a puncture, the fault in the inner tube. If the puncture is repaired, that is, the fault is removed, it will not be of much use if the cause of the puncture in the first place is not determined and appropriate action is taken. The cause is the puncture may be a nail that has penetrated the outer cover. This must be removed. A reflection of the fault. This may be a simple task, as in case referred to above, or it may be a much bigger one. Whatever the case, it is a specific task based on earlier findings. Check the system. It is important to ensure that the machine, equipment, or system is functioning normally after the cause of the fault and the fault itself has been dealt with. In case of the puncture, it is easy to confirm that the cause of the fault and the fault itself has indeed been dealt with satisfactorily. Assuming that the tire remains inflated with more sophisticated equipment or systems, it may necessary to fine-tune the system in order to run it to optimum working conditions.